Hey there, welcome back to the Rider Obvious channel. It's been a while since I've talked to you, but thought I'd share my most recent ice fishing trip. This is, we're driving on up into there and we're getting ready to get settled for the evening. We did kind of journey out onto the ice and just took a look around, got familiar with our settings, watched the beautiful sunset here. And I'll just give you a shot after the sunset of myself just standing on the ice. And tomorrow we're going to hit the ice and catch some fish. We're really looking forward to it. Thanks for watching. There's everything. The next morning, light snow fell last night. A couple little flakes coming down now. And we're about to go hit the ice. It's going to be an awesome day.
Rigging.
Yeah, well, I miss drilling the holes and stuff. Maybe I'll film that tomorrow. But it's kind of boring, and I can, I'll edit in some footage of a hole being drilled from a different video I have. All right. Yeah, so now that we're in here, we have some holes. We're up on North Michigan Creek. Got the boys going. Got some beverages, and we're just chilling. Yeah.
Oh,
nice new
fish. We're marking fish.
Nice new fishing hut. And hey, we're marking fish on the fish finder.
Just drop that thing on its head.
We're still on?
Yeah.
Woo! Let's go.
All right, fish on. He's a giant. That's the smallest fish I've ever seen. That's cute. All right. Oh, you're filming for me.
I think it's a brookie.
Hey.
That looks like a brookie.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
All right. Well, the camera was good luck. Wait, hold on. Oh. Hold on.
5 seconds.
Oh, Jesus.
5 seconds. 10 more seconds.
8,
Sorry,
7,
Done.
6. All right, go back. Go down, bro.
That was a little brookie.
Yeah, nice. All right.
Nicely done.
Remove the skunk.
Yeah, exactly.
Thanks for filming, Joe.
Of course.
I would say they're here.
Oh yeah, I still got him. Still got him. He's a little one.
Another brookie.
That's the same brook.
Right, yeah, it's the same brookie.
I doubt it.
Not again.
No, this one's smaller.
I think it's a little smaller.
Yeah, it's smaller.
They're getting smaller.
They're shrinking. Major shrinkage.
It's getting cold out.
Thanks.
See, the camera's good luck.
Okay, hold on. I am not being endorsed by Leland's Lures at all, but I love this product. Thank you so much. And man, I wish I could remember the name of the guy. He's an awesome dude. He's been to Colorado a couple times. I've seen him at church a couple times. Very thankful for you turning me on to these. I've caught more trout in the 4 years since I've met you than I had my entire life before, and I'm 50 years old, so thank you.
It must be sitting here.
That walk
Yeah.
was...
That would have been fun to film though.
Yeah. That would've been-
Struggle fish!
Yeah, I'm glad I brought the
This is what it's
snowshoes.
actually like. And then John just hovering by us like, you.
Yeah, I was like, well, it's funny because.
Well, I felt like I was winded. I was like, man, this is a workout.
Well, so Evan and I got into that deep and I was just like, John should go first. I was like, John should go first.
Well, I did. I got down there.
Yeah, no, I'm glad you did because I was like, that was killer. That was bad.
That bad down there?
No.
Oh, you're cooking a beer.
Yeah. Didn't you read the sign? No cooking inside. Nice. Do a little plug for the Flight Coach Hour. See. Oh, now the pilot light's going. Now we have low. And let's go high and just...
I like how there's snow on it and it's not even melting.
It's melting.
Slowly. Yeah, there it is. Chris will be here with his fancy little kitchen. Portable kitchen.
The Amazon special.
I think it's monsters.
So.
And it's gonna boil anyway, right?
Yeah, exactly. I don't know if I can get enough.
Why didn't you just grab it from the top
Here.
and then just drop it in?
Well, I'm not gonna drop it. I'm gonna hold it very
Oh, yeah,
securely.
that's a good idea. So I should take the neoprene thing off of it.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's all good. Here, let me strike this before I put that on there. Here, put all these guys in there, and we'll make sure that. 3.
That is freaking cold.
Sorry. If you want to pour just a little bit more out, because we're gonna boil it.
Sorry, homies.
My thumb is getting numb. Here, I'm gonna let you place it. Right, hand it to you right over the flame. It's a very non-committal, insincere bite.
Just a nibble.
Ah, man.
Almost had one.
Yeah. You bit it. Come on, dude. I'll take a trout fillet with my biscuits and gravy.
gravy.
A fillet. I can feel a snowflake hitting my head every now and then.
It's coming in over here.
When you close it.
My dad calls it his early detection system.
Yeah.
He's like, I think it's gonna rain. But
Oh, wow.
Hey, John, what you eating for breakfast?
Got some biscuits and gravy that Chris made.
some brisket and
Briskets and gravy.
Briskets and gravy.
Briskets and
Nah,
gravy.
just biscuits. But that gravy's so good, it might be made from brisket. I don't know.
yeah.
Just say. Give us a look of it.
I mean, you know, Kind of eating it out of a seal meal. Got lots of grease, and
It looks good.
you know, we only had 2 spoons, so I had to sanitize a spoon. I'm trying to sanitize it, and it melted. But I'll be danged if I'm gonna kiss after Joe. I'm just saying. Back in my day, biscuits and gravy had an entirely different meaning. I'm just kidding. I'll let you figure out what that was. But it had nothing to do with breakfast.
Let us know down in the comments what you think it might be.
Yeah, let us know in the comments. No, I'm just kidding. All right. Fish on. Let's go.
Hey yo.
Calm down. You are just a little stalker, okay? Really, guy? Really? Come on.
Stalker. How do you know?
Like, he's so small.
Oh, I thought maybe he was like had because he's kind of ugly.
No.
And his girlfriend was kind of hot.
Stalker. Come on, guy. I don't want to let you go.
He doesn't want to be released.
Where did you get hooked?
Usually, if you're using trout magnets, it's right in the roof of their mouth.
I know, this one got in the side of him. Easy. That one got him like right in the side. That was a weird placement for him.
I hate it when I hook them and it comes out through their eyeball.
Yeah. Alright. One on the ice. So that's 3 so far?
3 on the ice, 4 in the hole.
Yep. Alright.
I see you pointing the camera at me
I know.
with my.
Where's the scoop? Face.
Skunk off.
Yep. Yes. Let's go.
All right. He's not a monster, but.
Oh, good.
Hey little guy. Goodbye.
Let's go. Alright.
Everybody got one.
Got one.
All right.
Now let it start rolling in.
All right. Now we need the monsters.
Yeah.
Hey, send the big ones this way, please.
Get this little microphone pack so everyone has a little lavalier.
I still have one. Yeah, still have one. Yeah, woohoo!
Oh, big one.
Oh, that one's really, that's a decent sized one.
Nice. I mean, he's okay. He's still small by my
I mean,
standards,
yeah,
but
but
you know.
out of all the ones that we've caught so far,
Besides how you use it.
that's a really pretty rainbow too.
And he's off the hook.
That's a really pretty rainbow. Wow.
A little bit of gravy and send him on his way.
Do you want a picture with it? Slimy little bastard.
Bro.
Yeah, that's a pretty rainbow.
Hey, go on. He gone. All right, so we're halfway through this ice fishing trip. It's been incredible, and you've seen some fish so far. What we didn't record was some of the struggle just getting down to the lake. It looks pretty easy, you know, here's their cabin, there's the lake. No problem, right?
Nope.
Well, some of that snow is like 3 feet deep out there, and it's powder. And I'll be honest, I'm the only one that brought snowshoes, so I had to pack a trail through that earlier, and I'm too old to pack a trail. I am way too old to pack a trail. Like, I thought for sure my heart was gonna like either stop or burst, one or the other, and it didn't do either. So
Keeping John active.
yeah, they're keeping me going. They're keeping my blood pumping, and they're, you know, they're helping out. So anyway, we're heading back down. We're gonna be setting up the hut. And here we go.
Round 2.
And I'm just gonna record the struggle down here. Do you guys want me to go first to do any packing?
We should be pretty good now.
Okay. Well, you let me know and I will. My coffee keeps falling over and that cannot happen, so I'm just gonna hold it. I will be if I can get up. I can't get up. So we finally made it onto the ice after I fell in the snow and like almost had to have like emergency services come rescue me. Not quite, but anyway, so we got the hut on the ice now and we're trying to get it staked down. The wind is blowing like, so this is probably a good 30 miles an hour right now. 28? Okay, well, we're supposed to get maybe up to 40, so we're staking down the side of this bad boy because it keeps collapsing in. And it's like a two-person job, evidently. So, yeah, we're gonna catch some more fish. But yeah, thanks Chris for bringing the Outbreak 450 XT from Eskimo. Also, not sponsored. However, not against it, just saying. Anyway.
I'll just sleep here tonight.
That's what I was thinking too. Maybe I'll just sleep here. It's like, what, 200 yards? And we got like maybe 100 yards to go. But just the hill and the deep snow. Whew. I send my thanks out to my buddy Chris, who set most of this up. He had the cabin reserved for us. You know, all we had to do was give him some money, and I'd give anybody money anytime. Hey, there's where I fell down earlier and like almost got stuck in the snow. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and let me know if you enjoyed this, you know. Add some stuff in the comments. Let me know if you liked it, and we'll talk to you later. Bye. What? How could this not go wrong?
Hold on. Ready? He's not ready. He's gonna go like 7 seconds after you. 1. It's going really fast. That's fine. Oh no. This thing's slow. Different. More water. You can tell he's a snowboarder just hopping around like that.
Sitting down was not the
Like a catwalk.
yeah.